Rawalpindi, 3 senior officers of the Pakistan Army, who were martyred in a helicopter crash in Balochistan Tuesday, were laid to rest with full military honors in Rawalpindi, the Inter-Services Public Relations (ISPR) said in a statement. The funeral prayers of Lieutenant General Sarfraz Ali, Major General Amjad Hanif, and Brigadier Muhammad Khalid were offered at the Army graveyard in Rawalpindi, the military's media wing said. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Senate Chairman Sadiq Sanjra, Federal Ministers, Azad Jammu and Kashmir's Prime Minister, foreign dignitaries and a large number of senior serving, retired military and civil officials and relatives of the martyrs attended the funeral prayers. The ISPR said that an army contingent presented a guard of honor to the martyred soldiers. While Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa presented the national flag to the relatives of martyrs. Related items: 6 Pakistan Army personnel martyred in Balochistan helicopter crash, ISPR missing Army helicopter, Gen Bajwa informs Prime Minister Shehbaz of latest developments. Pakistan Army helicopter en route from Quetta to Karachi goes missing. Prime Minister Shehbaz, in a statement on Twitter, confirmed that he had attended the funeral of the martyrs of the Balochistan helicopter tragedy and prayed for their elevation. The entire nation, including me, salutes these brave officers and men who sacrificed their lives to help the helpless people trapped in the floods, said the PM. Six Pakistan Army personnel martyred in Balochistan helicopter crash. ISPR. The Pakistan Army helicopter that had gone missing Tuesday evening in Balochistan crashed, leaving 6 military personnel martyred, ISPR had said a day earlier. The military chopper had gone missing as it was en route from Quetta to Karachi at around 5:30 p.m. The personnel in the chopper were overseeing the flood relief efforts in the southwest of the country. Above normal monsoon rains and deadly flooding have hit Pakistan hard this year, killing hundreds of people so far and wreaking havoc, particularly in Balochistan. The Army has remained involved in rescue and relief efforts there. The ISPR, in a statement, said that the wreckage of the unfortunate helicopter was found in Musagath, Windar, Las Bela. It said that the accident occurred due to bad weather as per the initial investigation. All 6 officers and soldiers, including Corps Commander Quetta Lieutenant General Sarfraz Ali, embraced martyrdom, the military's media wing added. Lieutenant General Sarfraz Ali, who was commandant at the Command and Staff College in Quetta, had been commissioned in 6 Azad Kashmir regiments in March 1989 and served the Pakistan Army for 33 years. The Director General Pakistan Coast Guard Major General Amjad Hanif had been commissioned in 19 Azad Kashmir regiments in April 1994 and served for 29 years in the Pakistan Army. Commander Engineers 12th Corps Brigadier Muhammad Khalid had been commissioned in the 20 Engineer Battalion in 1994 and served for 29 years in the Pakistan Army. Major Saeed Ahmed was the pilot while Major Muhammad Talha Manan was the co-pilot. Naik Mudassir Fayaz, the chief of the crew, was also on board and embraced martyrdom. The officers were part of the relief operations in Balochistan as the monsoon flooding, which began in mid-June, killed almost 500 people so far in Pakistan, including 149 in the province alone.